The MX controller is built for the connected factory. With the embedded high-speed CC-Link IE TSN network, OPC UA and MQTT and Ethernet, it seamlessly integrates the MX controller to your other existing machines in the OT level, as well as your IT and cloud systems, giving you real-time insights into your production. Of course, all embedded into one controller and ready to use. And because we know that security is just as important as performance, the MX controller complies with IEC 62443-42 cybersecurity standards. That means your operations are protected against cyber threats and your team works in a safe and secure environment. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.